Let's see how to back up iPhone with Windows laptop. You need to download the iTunes application from the Microsoft Store. I have already downloaded and installed this application on my computer. Now connect your iPhone to computer by USB cable. After connecting the USB cable, you need to select Trust Your iPhone and also enter the passcode of your iPhone. Now here you can access all the information of your device. Now select this computer to back up your iPhone. It will take 5 to 15 minutes to back up your data to your computer. This is your iPhone backup file. If you want to restore your backup, connect your iPhone and click Restore.